We're going to cover trailer ABS and trailer reefer systems. In order to get to that, you come up here to manual, you simply select on trailer, and then you go trailer USA. And this will list out your ABS, refrigeration system, wheel pressure control, and your FMS. So as you see, all of that is down through here. You can come over here and unselect the box, and if you want just ABS, that's here. If you want refrigeration systems, that's here. The trailer ABS does require a different connector, which would be your PLC cable for the 7-way. That is available for purchase also. But even with that, the same way that you could get to the engine wiring diagrams and torque specs, you have that same option for the trailers. So if we pick like Bendix, the A18, your wiring diagrams are over here. All that information is over here on the left. All you have to do is select what you want to do. Now at the same time, if you're going to connect to the trailer, you highlight the trailer system you want to go into for your ABS, and then you click connect, or you can select this cable and it will explain to you how to do your connection. So it goes through and shows you the different points and then the cable needed. And once you do that, you just go to connect, and then you're connected to your trailer for your ABS. And as we went through before, it looks the same way. Once you're finished, you click disconnect, and it puts you back to the main screen.